Have you ever stood at the shore and wondered why waves keep rolling in again and again, as if the ocean never gets tired? At first glance, it feels almost magical. No matter when you visit the beach, waves are always there, rising, breaking, and retreating in an endless rhythm. But waves don't exist because the ocean is alive or restless. They exist because powerful forces are constantly transferring energy into the water. As long as that energy keeps coming, waves will never truly stop. The most common waves we see are created by wind. When wind blows across the surface of the ocean, it transfers energy to the water through friction. Even a gentle breeze can disturb the surface, creating small ripples. Stronger winds, especially during storms, push more energy into the ocean, forming larger and more powerful waves. As long as wind exists on Earth, the ocean surface will almost always be in motion somewhere. What's fascinating is that waves are not moving water across the ocean. Instead, they are moving energy. The water itself mostly stays in place, moving in small circular motions as the wave passes through. This is why a floating object, like a buoy, bobs up and down, but doesn't travel across the sea with the wave. The energy travels forward, but the water particles mostly return to where they started. Another reason waves never stop is Earth's atmosphere. The sun heats the planet unevenly, warming the equator more than the poles. This temperature difference creates wind as air moves from high pressure to low pressure areas. Because the sun never stops shining and Earth never stops rotating, wind patterns are constantly being generated. This continuous atmospheric motion ensures that energy is always being transferred into the ocean. But wind waves are only part of the story. Even on a calm day, when the surface looks peaceful, waves can still arrive at the shore. These are called swells. Swells are waves that were created by storms far away, sometimes thousands of miles across the ocean. Because water transmits energy so efficiently, waves can travel enormous distances without losing much strength. By the time they reach the coast, the storm that created them may be long gone, but its energy lives on in the waves. Then there are tides, another reason the ocean never truly rests. Tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun on Earth's oceans. As Earth rotates, different parts of the planet experience stronger gravitational pull, causing sea levels to rise and fall. This constant movement of massive amounts of water creates tidal waves and currents that add to the ocean's endless motion. Even if the wind stopped completely, tides alone would keep the ocean moving. Earth's rotation also plays a role. As the planet spins, it influences ocean currents through a phenomenon known as the Coriolis effect. This helps drive large-scale ocean circulation systems that move water around the globe. These currents interact with winds, coastlines, and underwater terrain, continuously generating wave activity. Under the surface, the ocean is far from still. Earthquakes, underwater landslides, and volcanic activity can send energy through the water, creating powerful waves that travel vast distances. While tidal waves and tsunamis are rare, they are dramatic reminders that the ocean is deeply connected to the restless forces of our planet. The shape of the ocean floor also keeps waves alive. As waves approach shallow water near the coast, the seabed slows the bottom of the wave while the top keeps moving. This causes waves to rise and eventually break. That breaking releases energy, but it doesn't end the process. New waves are already on their way, powered by distant winds, tides, and currents. From a physics perspective, waves are simply energy seeking balance. Energy naturally spreads out rather than disappearing instantly. Because Earth is constantly supplying new energy through wind, gravity, and planetary motion, the system never fully settles. The ocean is part of a massive, ongoing energy cycle driven by nature itself. So waves never stop, because the forces that create them never stop. As long as the sun heats the earth, the moon pulls on the oceans, the planet rotates, and the atmosphere moves, waves will continue to form. What feels like an ocean mystery is really a beautiful demonstration of physics, balance, and endless motion. The next time you watch waves crash against the shore, remember that you're witnessing energy that may have started its journey thousands of miles away, carried by wind, gravity, and the deep mechanics of our planet. If this sparked your curiosity about the ocean and the science behind nature's wonders, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what ocean mystery you want to explore next.